Hey guys, in this video we'll learn some of the basic concepts required to solve HCF and LCM. So let's get started. What is a factor? In a division, if a number f divides a number m completely or m is exactly divisible by f, in such a case we say that f is a factor of m. For example, 5 divides 35 completely. See, we get remainder 0. So 5 is a factor of 35. Now let us find the factors of 12. So let me write the numbers up to 12 and check what are the numbers that divide 12 exactly. So first 1. 1 divides 12 exactly. Next 2. So when you divide 12 by 2, you get remainder 0. So 2 is a factor of 12. Similarly, 3, 4, 6 is a factor of 12. Now consider 5. When you divide 12 by 5, you get a remainder which is not 0. So 5 is not a factor of 12. Similarly, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 are all not the factors of 12. And 12 is a factor of itself. Also, what are the ways you can obtain 12 by multiplication? 1 multiplied by 12, 2 multiplied by 6, 3 multiplied by 4, 4 multiplied by 3, 6 multiplied by 2 and 12 multiplied by 1. So these numbers are called the factors of 12. Moving on. Now what is a multiple? If f is a factor of m, then m is multiple of f. For example, 63 is completely divisible by 3, 7, 9 and 21. Hence, 63 is a multiple of 3, 7, 9 and 21. Also, the multiples of 12 can be obtained from multiplication table. So, what are the multiples of 12? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60 and so on. If you divide any of these number by 12, you get a 0. So these numbers are called multiples of 12. Now let us learn about prime factorization. So what is prime factorization? Every non-prime number can be broken into 2 or more prime numbers. For example, this number is not a prime number. So when I break it into 2 or more prime numbers, we get. So first I am dividing this number by 2. I get 10,285 as quotient. Then I divide it by 5. Then I divide it by 11. Again I divide it by 11. Then I divide it by 17. So these are all the quotients. Whereas these are all the prime factors of this number. So what are the prime factors of 20,570? They are 2, 5, 11, 11 and 17. So a non-prime number can be broken into a product of prime numbers. Now let us move on to HCF and LCM. So what is HCF? HCF is nothing but highest common factor. It is also called as greatest common divisor. If 2 or more numbers are broken into their prime factors, then the product of maximum common prime factors in the given number is a HCF of numbers. There are 2 methods to obtain HCF. One is prime factorization method and the other one is division method. So first we'll go by prime factorization method. So what is the HCF of 72, 60 and 96? So first we'll find out the prime factors of 72. So the prime factors of 72 are 2, 2. So this is the prime factors of 72. Next, the prime factors of 60. So these are all the prime factors of 60. Next, we'll find out the prime factors of 96. So these are all the prime factors of 96. So let us take the common terms in this. So this 2 is a common, and we have another 2 in common to all the 3 numbers. Next, we have 3 in common to all the numbers. So the HCF of 72, 60 and 96 is 12. So you can see that we are taking all the common factors and we are taking the highest of it. Now we'll solve this using division method. So how you will find HCF using division method? First, consider 2 numbers and divide it. So I'm dividing 72 by 60. So I get a remainder. With this remainder, divide this 60 again. So HCF of 72 and 60 is 12. You have to repeat it till you get a 0 remainder. Now with this HCF, you find the HCF of 96 and 12. So 12, 8, 96. So 12 divides 96 exactly. So the HCF of 60, 72 and 96 is 12. Now we'll move on to LCM. So what is LCM? LCM is nothing but least common multiple. You'll be given a series of numbers and you have to find the common multiple of all these numbers and you have to take the least one of it. So the LCM of 2 or more than 2 numbers is a product of highest powers of all prime factors that occur in these numbers. Similar to HCF, there are 2 methods to solve LCM. One is factorization method and the other one is common division method. So first we'll discuss about factorization method. So the question is LCM of 36, 48, 64 and 72. First we'll find out the prime factors of these numbers. So prime factor of 36 is So 36 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 and 3. And then prime factors of 48. So the prime factors of 48 are next the prime factors of 64. 2 is multiplied for 6 times. Next, the prime factors of 72. So the 36 can be written as 2 square into 3 square. Similarly, 48 can be written as 2 power 4 into 3. And 64 can be written as 2 power 6. 72 can be written as 2 cube into 3 square. So LCM is nothing but, from the definition, product of highest powers of all prime factors. So first we'll take 2. 2 is one of the prime factor. So the highest power of 2 is 6 multiplied by the next prime factor is 3. The highest power obtained is 3 square. 64 into 9, which is 576. So the LCM of these numbers is 576. We'll solve LCM using common division method. We'll list out all the numbers given and we'll do prime factorization for these numbers. So 36 when divided by 2, it gives a quotient of 18, 24, 32, 36, 9, 12, 16, 18. So you can't exactly divide 9. So I'm not dividing it. I'm writing it as it is. Two fours are 8 and 9. You can't divide 3 and 9 exactly by 2. Next, I'm going to take number 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. You have to repeat it until you get all the ones. So, multiply all these factors. You get that is 2 raised to power 6 into 3 square. 64 into 9, which is 576. So the LCM is 576. We'll solve few more problems and we'll discuss some tricks that can be helpful for aptitude examinations in the upcoming videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.